welcome or welcome back. I'm Sandra Stitches and you're here for some crochet goodness, and today's video is a Quiet Crochet Friday video, which is a space we created here together so that we can just sit down and crochet for maybe 15-20 minutes quietly with some music in the background, maybe chit-chatting a little bit. I tell you what's going on in my life or what's going on where I live, and if there is any news, but minimal chatting. And we just crochet because I know we all need some quiet crochet time, and sometimes life is so hectic and so noisy that I thought, you know, we can crochet together quietly. I know that when I'm crocheting, if I have a long session of crocheting, so I either watch someone else's videos, like a different crochet creators video. I love that, all these vlogs and people telling all these stories about their crochet journeys and everything. Or sometimes I just, watch some Netflix, but sometimes I just want to sit down quiet so I can concentrate my thoughts and be in the moment. So this is what we're doing today. Grab your current project, something to drink. I have my water. As you all may know by now, I don't drink coffee, maybe once in a while. I'm not a coffee girl, I am a water girl, and yeah, I'm working. Look how beautiful this is coming along. I found this stitch combination on Pinterest, which is, I don't know who it belongs, but I don't think it belongs to anybody, the combination. If I find, so I will, of course, give credit, but I'm working on maybe a scarf, maybe a cowl. It depends how much yarn I have, because I'm using this gorgeous color blue. It's yarn that I had for a long time, and I didn't really know what to do with it because it's kind of a little bit chunky, and acrylic, 100% acrylic, but it's not very soft. So I thought maybe I will use it with something open. It's just a sample. I'm probably not going to use it myself because it's a little bit not soft enough, but maybe if I wash it, I don't know, maybe if I wash it, it will be okay. So this is what I'm working on anyway. And yeah, so let's just crochet. It's, I think it's a 5-row repeat or 3-row repeat. And I have to look because I can't remember the exact, stitches, how to begin, how to end. So this is what I'm working on now. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah. This one. Okay. I hope. Not sure. I hope I'm doing the right row. So today is a special day here where I live because we are celebrating we have a holiday. It's called Shavuot in Hebrew, and it's the celebration of the harvest, right? The whatever grows on the land. And so typically it means that we make every holiday, right? There is a dish. In our holidays, there is always a special dish. So the holiday is the tradition, and also we have a special meals with dishes that are connected to that holiday. So for Shavuot, we usually eat lots of dairy, things with milk, cheese, things like that, veggies, lot of vegetables, lots of things that grow and not, processed, not so much meat, or at all not meat. So only things that are vegetable. It's kind of a vegan or vegetarian holiday. Not vegan, vegetarian, because there is a lot of cheese involved. So what we usually do is that we we bake a lot of quiches with different vegetables, the same, how do you call this? Lots of cottage cheese and eggs, and for the base of the quiche, no pastry. I don't use pastry or all kind of crusts for my quiches. Sometimes, but usually I don't. So I was baking 3 or 4 quiches this morning, different kinds of mushrooms, onions, broccoli, what else? Zucchini, all kind of things. And also I want to make a vegan, how do you call it? Bolognese, vegan bolognese. So I grate the tofu, and instead of the meat, and I add lentils and and with pasta, so it will really, really good. I hope I'm doing it right. I hope so. Yeah, okay, I know, it's okay. So this is what's going on. I finished the baking and preparing. My family will come, my daughter will come later in the afternoon, and we will celebrate. My other 2 daughters, I miss them so much, but they are abroad. One of them is in New Zealand with her family, with my grandchildren, and the other one is in traveling. She's been to Laos and Vietnam, and now she's traveling with her partner, so now they are in Thailand. So yeah, they're not here. So we'll be just as me, my husband, and one of my daughters, and yeah, so this is it. It's going to be fun. Always when I make food for holidays, I'm so used to make a lot of food because we always have a lot of people here. But this year, we don't have. Anyway, I made a lot. So I think we are going to be eating quiche and pasta and all these things for the beginning of the week as well. Okay, I hope I'm doing it right. Yeah. This is a super nice stitch pattern. I really liked it. If you're new and this is the first time you watch one of my videos, so in the description box below there are all the links to my blog where I have lots and lots of free crochet patterns, and also a link to my stores, Ravelry. I have a shop in Ravelry and a shop in Payhip that you can find my paid, ad-free paid PDF patterns, and in Payhip you also can find different things, different printables, and also there is a link to the V-Stitch Club, which is our membership. So you have all the information. If you're interested in joining us in the membership, you have all the information there. Also, you are more than welcome to join our free Facebook group. You'll find everything about what's going on, or join my email list. So, lots of places to connect. Okay, something is wrong here. No, it's okay. I have to be very careful with this pattern. Oh, there is a birdie. Came to my window. Oh. Sometimes they come, they want to build a nest here in the window, even though we are 7th floor in a building. So anyway, they fly very high and they want to come and build a nest. Not sure. I'm thinking if this stitch combination is good for a cow. I'm not so sure. But also I'm not so sure if I have enough yarn for a whole scarf. I think it's beautiful, super nice. We'll see. Because I have this and another, I think I have over there another cake. and that's it. So we'll see. Tell me in the comments, how are you feeling and what project are you working on? Tell me in the comments if you like these kind of videos, because I want to know if, to continue filming them. I think we have already, this is going to be, maybe we have already 8. So this is going to be the 9th. I think I'm going to do 12, and then we'll see. It's going to be a playlist. It's already a playlist. So whenever you want to go back and watch them, they are going to be there anyway. But maybe after 12, I will change a little bit the concept. I don't know, we'll see. But I want to hear from you and tell me what you think about them, so I know what to do. Okay, so now. The yarn is not so soft. It has a little bit of, I don't know, kind of feels like wool, but I don't think it has wool. And I don't have the label for this. I can't remember where it is. It's some kind of, I'm not sure if I bought it from Wool Warehouse or from Temu. I'm not sure. So I don't have, but I lost the label, so I'm not sure. But it's very easy to work with. Very easy to work with. It's very kind of works smooth. And the color is amazing. I love this color. This is going to be one of the patterns that people get, members get in the V-Stitch Club. So I am now it's May 2026. I'm working on patterns for the V-Stitch Club for 2027, because I already have all the patterns for 2026. So I'm working on 2027. Yeah, that's how I like it. I have things prepared ahead of time, so I don't have to worry. And I like to crochet and design different things, so this is what happens. Let's finish this row. So as you can see, I was cooking all morning, and now I sat down for 20 minutes of crocheting, and then I'm going to have lunch with my husband, and and then I have other things to prepare for tonight when my daughter comes. And so I squished in 20 minutes of quiet crochet, even though I was chatting all the time. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and tell me in the comments. And I will see you next Friday. Have a great week. Bye.